Okay, I have to show you these planters because they completely transform my outdoor space. The first thing I noticed is how expensive they look. They have this beautiful black finish with a subtle leaf pattern that gives them a really elegant high-end look, but without the weight of actual stone planters. What I love the most is the size. These are 18-inch planters with a huge 14-gallon capacity, so there's plenty of room for larger plants, small trees, flowers, herbs, or even a little vegetable garden. If you ever struggle with plants becoming root-bound in smaller pots, this gives them so much more space to grow. They're also incredibly durable, even though they're made from plastic. They're not flimsy at all. The material is thick, sturdy, and designed to handle heavy plants without cracking or bending. They feel like they will last for years. Another feature I appreciate is the drainage system. There are drainage holes built into the corners, plus the base is slightly raised off the ground. That helps prevent water from sitting at the bottom and gives the roots better airflow, which is so important for healthy plants. And because they're made for both indoor and outdoor use, I don't have to worry about the Arizona sun, rain, or changing temperatures damaging them. They stay looking beautiful season after season. So if you're looking for planters that are actually stylish, durable, and actually functional, these are definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend.